What's up, guys? So it's finally here, the USB killer version 3.0. This is the anonymous edition, and it's also the Pro kit, which basically includes the killer itself, the shield, and all the adapters needed to kill all your phones. Alright, so let's unbox this now and grab the knife. And here we go. Where do I open? Okay. Over here. As you can see, it's quite a clean packaging, just plain white box. But what's inside? Let's open it. Okay. Here we go. Let's slide out. Okay, there's nothing else in the box. We can throw that away. Oh, cool. Is this a sticker? I think this is a sticker. Oh, it's pretty cool. I'll keep this. And what is this? Snap, crackle, POC. Don't test me, bro. And of course, there's a warning label here. And what this label pretty much says is that you shouldn't leave the killer connected to a computer for more than 30 seconds because otherwise there'll be damage that happens to the USB itself. But this thing kills in like 0.2 seconds, so I doubt you're gonna need that. You're not gonna even need like 10 seconds. So yeah, let's see what else is there. Keep the stickers aside. And oh, okay, this is the box. Now this is the version 3 box, and I also have my version 2 box here. This is the USB killer 2.0 over here, as you can see. And this is a 3.0 with the anonymous edition and the adapters here. So fairly similar design, except it's bigger because there's more stuff here. And yeah, let's unbox it, see what's up. Okay, so here we have the lightning adapter to kill the iPhones. I'm not gonna try that anytime soon, but you never know. And then we have the USB-C adapter for all the new phones that are out. So you can pretty much, I think, kill any Android smartphone that's available now. And this is the micro USB one for all the older devices like a Galaxy S5 or any other older phone, basically. And finally, let's get to the killer itself. There's just some foam here. Actually, before I get to the killer, let's just look at the other stuff. So this is the testing shield, and these are the components you need attached to the testing shield for it to work properly. So you don't need this, of course. Like, don't get it misconstrued. You don't need this, but this is just for testing to make sure that the USB is functioning properly. But for killing the devices itself, you'll need this only. And it looks so clean, just stealthy, you know? Like, wow. Like, no one's gonna suspect this is a killer. Like, no one. Whew. It's pretty dangerous, man. It's got a nice matte black finish on it. And, yeah, if left untouched and, if someone just picks it up and plugs it in their computer, they'll be in for a surprise. So, yeah, that's about it.